we're going to pick a new standard IM and build the passenger section. So I'm going to hit place and scroll down until I find the passenger section. Click open. Right click, place grounded at origin, and click OK. And it says this is the front, and I'm not sure which of these are front. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and place the connectors in, and that'll help tell me which one should be the front view. So I'm going to go ahead and place, and I'm going to pick the connector that I want to put in. So there's the connector I want to place. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click on Home, and then what I want to do is free rotate that, and I will see if this is going to be the correct front. So I'm going to hit Constrain. I want to constrain that top with this top, and Apply, and it put in there fairly close. So I'll put here to there, and see how it's all modeled on my graphics. That tells me that is not the correct location. The other location should be it. So I'm going to come over here and delete that one mate. So using your model bar to get everything set up, and then I'm going to rotate this around, and again use free rotate. It will definitely be your tool of choice over time. And constrain, because it allows you to kind of get at things a little easier. So constrain properly there. I'm going to apply, but this time I'm going to hit cancel because it likes to be a little closer to the correct orientation. So I'm getting it down close. So I'm going to constrain, and I'm going to constrain this edge with this edge. I'm going to hit apply, and we'll look at this, and I don't see any odd modeling of graphics here, so that's the correct location from. So now that I have it in there, and now I know that's going to be my front part of my passenger base, I'm going to right click and set as front, and then click here, and then I'm going to right click and I'm going to set view as fit to view. So now I'm ready to place the other connector. The other connector is a 2 nub type of connector. So let's see, we found one with 2 nubs on it. There it is. So I'm going to hit open. I'm going to place it back here, and then rotate around. Click OK to deselect. And it's not connecting anything, so I'm going to constrain it. Same idea we've done before. Top to top edge. Apply. Cancel. Drag it down a little bit. Now it knows about where I want to go. So I want to constrain that edge to this edge, apply. Now we can look at this, and that looks pretty good. So now I'm ready to go. So we said earlier that I want this to be my front view. So set view as front. I'm not quite sure why I didn't take it last time, but that'll happen from time to time. And I want fit to view. So now this is my front. This is my view. So now I want to put the passenger little seat for all of them to get in there. So here's my passenger base. And I'm not going to worry too much about which one direction that I have going forward. I could spend a lot of time on that and rotate around depending on your automotive blocks, but that looks about right for me. So I'm going to go ahead and constrain. Whoop, I forgot to place it, so let's try that again. Place, open, place, OK. And I'm going to constrain this, and I know that it fits right on that bottom right there. So I'm going to get to its bottom, zoom in using my mouse, my roller bar. That's a flat area I'm going to apply. And then back to home. And let's see where we go. Now, I want to constrain this with this and apply. And I'm going to hit cancel. And see, it's going out here, so I want to constrain this. So it's moving right around that x-axis. And I'm going to zoom out and boom, apply. And then I'm going to hit home, And for some reason, it is not liking my setting up. There must be something wrong with my little screen because I should be able to. This bottom keeps wanting to be the wrong orientation. I want to set that as front. And right click, set view, fix view. So that should work. And it seems to work now. So last is to put in our little windshield. So now we know what direction we want to go. We go ahead and place. And I'll find the windshield. And there's my windshield. So I'll open it. Click. OK. And I know I want to rotate that around, because that's the direction I want it. And I also know that I want to constrain that flat part right there on the windshield. That fits right on top of that. And I'm going to apply. Then I'm going to zoom in with my wheel, and I see this little flat part right here, a little nib. We want it right up against this. I'm going to hit apply. And I'm going to hit cancel so I can zoom out and get a better look at this. And I'm going to constrain this part with the other side right here. Apply. And now we have made the automobile